All right, this is what I picked up last week. I just threw out a bid on an auction, just let it go. So I spent $2.50. Let's go through and see what I got. Battery watch, a drill block, some rivets, hacksaw, the handle's broken, drill index, so see, that's $2.50 worth right there. Level, that would make it Klein tools. It's broken. Some Vaco net drivers. Missing one. Yes, marked USA. Maybe Wooding's Verona tool. I can't really see that. Always use little crow pieces. There's the rivet gun. They got some spade bits. Irwin. Utica. Feels like it needs some work. Got a square. Some wrenches. Putty knife. There's another index. Putty knife. Screwdriver. The Roscoe. Staples. Little general wrench here. Another little wrench. So, didn't get hurt. There's really not a whole lot there that got me excited, but thanks for watching. Tell me what you liked best.